You will be amazed by this 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, seat memory, leather seats, trip computer. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.